Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good, guys. Once again, I'm talking about XYO network, guys. So guys, finally in this video I also make a video on my prediction, which I told you in my previous videos, that higher possibilities that it's the last of September the price of XYO pump, guys. So you can see now it is the last of September and XYO start pumping, guys. So for this kind of right prediction, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos, guys. Now guys, 10.71% positive changes occur in a XYO network, guys. In other side, if you study the price of XYO, so 0.03209 USD dollar, that is the right now price of XYO network, guys. Guys, the price of XYO is very low. If you want to buy now, because it is a cheap coin in the market, guys. Buy now XYO network, and absolutely just hold to the last of September. Just hold for 1 week, and absolutely, and this 1 week you get a good profit, guys. I really recommend for investment, guys. Now you can see here furthermore, if you study the trading volume of XYO network, so the trading volume is going negative 26.80%, but very soon, guys, with the passage of time, these changes will become positive, guys. Fully diluted market cap, these changes are now positive in the market, and guys, due to these positive changes, possibilities that XYO network will take a huge pump. You can see, guys, just enjoy the pump to the last of September. It's time to enjoy, it's time to buy now XYO network, guys. Anyways, guys, just tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about XYO network, guys? Personally, I'm feeling very good and I'm very happy today, because not only XYO is in the positive mood, guys. A lot of coin, same like that, XYO network and SLP coin, smooth low portion, these are all coin are now positive, guys. So I'm very happy. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.